Brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center Jammu, offering special discounts for senior citizens and reimbursement scheme for government employees. Hello viewers, you're watching Jammu Links News. I'm Mannat Gupta and welcome to the daily updates of Midday News. Let's begin. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Tuesday gave a pep talk to 20 civil services toppers, saying they are entering the government at one of the best times in the history of post-independent India, when under Prime Minister Narendra Modi the country was on the ascent and would soon be a frontline nation of the world. During the informal chat with the toppers, Singh inquired about their family and future aspirations, a statement issued by the Personnel Ministry said. He also noted the demographic change which has taken place in the profile of toppers in the last few years. India's COVID-19 tally crossed the 32 lakh mark with 67,151 new cases and 1,059 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The overall coronavirus count reached 32,34,475, including 7,07,267 active cases, 24,67,759 cured or discharged or migrated, and 59,449 deaths. On Tuesday, the Union Health Ministry informed that there have been more than 100% hike in the recoveries in the last 25 days, and the steadily falling case fatality rate stands at 1.84%. With 701 new cases, the COVID-19 tally in Jammu and Kashmir climbed to 33,776, while 14 more fatalities were reported. Officials said 11 deaths were reported from Kashmir and 3 persons died in Jammu region in the past 24 hours till 5 p.m. on Tuesday. The death toll in the Union Territory has now reached 638. Jammu Division has so far recorded a total of 7,413 cases, of whom 5,776 have already been cured and discharged from the hospitals, and there are only 1,587 active cases in the division. The Jammu and Kashmir government has evacuated about 3,52,381 JK residents stranded in other parts of the country due to COVID lockdown via Lakhanpur and through special trains and buses till date, amid strict observance of all necessary guidelines and standard operating procedures. As per the official data received in this regard, the Jammu and Kashmir administration has received 125 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur railway stations from different states and UTs so far, with about 1,07,583 passengers, while about 2,44,798 persons from other states and UTs, including 928 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government through Lakhanpur till date. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar inspected progress on upcoming health and road infrastructure besides Shahpur Kandi Dam project during an extensive tour of Kathua district. During his visit to District Hospital Kathua, Advisor Bhatnagar inspected newly established RT-PCR laboratory for COVID-19 testing and intensive care unit. Various public deputations and individuals on Tuesday met Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Basir Ahmed Khan at the Civil Secretariat. The deputations and individuals hailing from various parts of the Union Territory met the Advisor Khan and brought their problems into his notice and sought their early redressal. The advisor said that public grievance redressal is a priority of the government and added that a robust mechanism has been put in place for quick response and remedy. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Farooq Khan maintained that the present dispensation has put in place a prompt public grievances redressal mechanism to facilitate the public in distress with speedy disposal of their issues and concerns. Advisor stated this while interacting with the participants of weekly public outreach camp at Lieutenant Governor's grievance cell at Church Lane. As many as 80 public deputations and individuals hailing from different areas of Jammu and Kashmir apprised the advisor of their grievances and sought his intervention for early redress of the same. Principal Secretary Animal or Sheep Husbandry and Fisheries Departments Naveen Kumar Chaudhary has asked the Confederation of Indian Industry to guide JK youth towards the beneficial entrepreneurial activities. Naveen asked the members who called on him to play their role in creating awareness about the advantages of being an entrepreneur. He sought their support in motivating the local talented youth towards dovetailing their mind and energy in being the job providers instead of job seekers. The Chief Secretary BVR Subramaniam on Tuesday chaired a meeting to review district-level monitoring of various developmental programs. During the meeting, it was informed that a mechanism is being devised to dedicatedly monitor the outcomes of developmental works and achievements registered under various welfare schemes on a monthly basis both at UT and district levels. Divisional Commissioner Jammu Sanjeev Verma reviewed the progress made in the establishment of centers for invention, innovation, incubation and training in Government Polytechnic Jammu at a meeting of concerned officers. The Principal Government Polytechnic gave a detailed PowerPoint presentation on the works taken up at the campus for setting up of 9 competency centers to conduct 18 courses for MTech, BTech, Diploma and ITI students. The project duration is 3 years and all the installations are to be completed by data technology within 6 months.